Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simplified Knowledge, where we break down complex economic topics into easy to understand insights. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the world of economics, the impact of artificial intelligence on the job market. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been advancing rapidly over the past few years. From smart home devices to autonomous vehicles, AI is revolutionizing how we live and work. But what does this mean for jobs? First, let's talk about the jobs at risk. AI and automation are particularly impactful in industries like manufacturing, customer service, and transportation. Tasks that are repetitive and predictable are the most susceptible to automation. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI is also creating new job opportunities. Industries such as data analysis, cybersecurity, and AI development itself are booming. We're seeing a shift in the job market. While some roles are disappearing, new ones that require advanced skills and human creativity are on the rise. It's crucial for the workforce to upskill and adapt to these changes. So, what does this mean for the average worker? Continuous learning and flexibility are becoming more important than ever. Investing in education and training in tech-related fields can provide a significant edge. Fields like data science, cybersecurity, AI ethics, and robotics are growing rapidly. By gaining skills in these areas, workers can stay ahead of the curve. In conclusion, AI is transforming the job market. While it poses challenges, it also offers incredible opportunities. By embracing change and focusing on continuous learning, we can navigate this transition successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of economics. See you next time. Host: stay curious, stay informed, and stay ahead.